To starting, there's a few shots of the chainsaw chain sharpening tool. This one's from Machine Mart. And I don't know if you can see there, it's actually set at 30 degrees. There's also a depth stop gauge there to stop the grind wheel going through the chain. It just needs to sharpen the tooth only, and this has been set up and ready to go. Right, we're all set up ready to go. I've marked the first tooth, which you probably won't see in shot, with a bit of paint, so once we've gone round the whole chain and we get back to that painted tooth, we know where we started. So I'm going to switch it on and let's see how we get on with it. And there we are, back to the start. So the only other thing now to do is we'll turn the jig round so it's 30 degrees the other way and repeat the process. And that's how you sharpen a chainsaw